A 61-year-old battleground man is among hundreds charged in connection with the January 6th breach of the U.S. Capitol building. Jeffrey Grace faces a single charge of unauthorized entry or remaining in a restricted building or grounds. According to an FBI affidavit, Grace admitted to entering the Capitol, but said he walked in through an open door. He can be seen in these infamous photos standing behind a man carrying a lectern belonging to House Speaker Nancy Pelosi. Grace was also reportedly spotted on closed-circuit video actually taking a metal pipe from another man, hiding it and helping pick things up that had been knocked over. He told agents he left after witnessing the destruction happening inside, exiting out of a window that had been broken out. Grace, who appeared in U.S. District Court in Portland this week, faces up to a year in jail if convicted.